Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install the Debian operating system on a virtual machine using VMware Workstation. This is a perfect way to practice Linux administration without changing your main computer. Let's get started. Oh, before we start the installation, make sure you have the latest VMware software, which you can get on their official website. Same as the Debian ISO, you can get it on their official website. If you have done it all, then let's just get started. First, open VMware Workstation and click Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical or Recommended and click Next. Choose Install this image file or ISO. Browse for your Debian ISO file and hit Next. Name your virtual machine, for example, Debian Server or whatever you wish, and choose where to save it. Allocate your disk size. The minimum is 20 GB. It's usually enough for a basic setup. And select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Then click Finish and then power on this virtual machine. When installer starts, select Install, not the graphical install. You have to choose Install. And then select your language, location, and keyboard layout, which usually is American English. Enter a host name for your system and leave the domain name blank unless you are on a specific network. Set a strong root password and then create a new user account with its own password. Well, don't forget this because you cannot log in later.
For partition, choose good using interdisk. Select the virtual disk we create earlier. Choose parent or home partition. And finally, set finish partition and white just change to disk. Select yes to converse. This popularity part is optional. You can just click no if you want to. The system will begin installing when prompted for some software. Select and keep standard system utility. Wait for the installation to complete. Finally, select yes to install the group bootloader to the primary drive. In this case, it is dev STI. And that's it. Click continue to reboot. You have successfully installed Debian on VMware. You can now log in and start exploring the world of Linux. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year!